Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON low FPS, lagging, and stuttering. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, basically the first one is basically lowering your in-game graphic settings, specifically turning off VSync and reducing global illumination or shadows. Try to put the lowest available graphics for MECCHA CHAMELEON, since this game doesn't really have any demanding requirements for the game. So turn it to the lowest and make its way back up. So once you experiment on it, congrats. Now, if it still crash or is still lagging, even if you have a good PC, what I recommend is putting your game on SSD. So make sure to click on the manage right over here, plus local files. As you can see, this game is currently on my D drive, which is my HDD, and it's still a bit laggy, but not really on the graphics side. Just go ahead and put it on the SSD right over here. To do that, just go ahead and click on the gear icon, manage, plus local files, right over here. Right click on it, I'm gonna click on common, right click on it and click cut, and then go to Steam right over here, click on the Steam folder on your C drive and then paste it right over there. Now the next option is basically downloading your GPU's latest available driver. Just go ahead and click on the tray right over here, right click on NVIDIA settings, NVIDIA app, click on drivers on the left panel, and then download the latest available driver for your GPU. Once you download it, do the installation process, and what I'd recommend is basically doing the express installation. Once done though, click on the X right over here, restart your PC, and it should be fixed. Now if it still persists to do that, just go ahead and click on the gear icon right over here, click properties, install files right over here, or general actually. So on the launch options, type in -DX11, close that out, and see if the problem still persists. If it crashes though, what I'd recommend, click on the gear icon once more, properties, install files, verify integrity of game files. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to fix any corrupted files or missing file that might be causing the problem. Basically that's all for this video guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.